Move right into this beautifully finished new construction home in Needham, Massachusetts, in a quiet, friendly neighborhood setting just a short distance to the new Sunita Williams Elementary School, convenient to Needham Heights, the train to Boston, popular restaurants, as well as Starbucks, Trader Joe's, and minutes to Route 128 and the Mass Pike. And don't miss the famous Volante Farms just around the corner, nearby Rosemary Pool, and the public library. This is the perfect location, and it's convenient to both Needham Heights and Needham Center. This is an impressive 6-bedroom, 7.5-bath modern colonial design with an amazing floor plan that includes an office with a glass French door and a wall of built-ins, plus a much sought-after first-floor bedroom with a private bath. The kitchen is just incredible, and it boasts an oversized, stylish quartzite island outfitted with the top-of-the-line Thermador appliances, a sleek built-in refrigerator, a chef-style double oven, a large countertop cooktop, plus a microwave drawer. A wall of large windows offers wonderful sunlight, with a slider that steps out to a large patio and a private, level yard. A large, open family room is anchored by a gas fireplace and built-in cabinets. There's also an entertainment center with a beverage refrigerator, sink, and glass cabinets. The mudroom offers custom built-in cubbies as well as a powder room. The second level has 4 spacious bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms. The main bedroom has a comfortable sitting area, his and her closets, a spa-like bath, quartz vanity, a huge walk-in shower with rain shower head, plus a stylish soaking tub. The third level is a finished open great room with vaulted ceilings, skylights, and a full bathroom. The lower level offers the perfect space for work and for play. A double glass French door opens to an ideal space to work or study. Also, there's a large open room to entertain with a comfortable sitting area and a large space for a pool or ping pong table. And it's the perfect space to enjoy family and friends. This home has it all, and best of all, it's ready for you to call home and move in right now.